happened this morning with the downpours,
No
a couple of claps of thunder, but the air is so rich with humidity that when you get a thunderstorm in this environment, it's like taking a wet rag and just squeezing all that water out of it, and it just unloads in one spot and then moves on. Guess what? We don't have to worry about that for the next several days, right?
It's going to feel pretty nice, huh?
Yeah, it really is. And it's kind of interesting because it was the latter part of April that the pattern switched. And we had a really dry April and a really warm one. And then towards the end of the month, the pattern flipped. And we went into this cool and wet spell that has lasted right through till today. Now, there's been a couple of days where we've been 80 degrees. But overall, the month of May has been cooler and wetter than normal. And now, about a month removed from the last time we had a pattern change, a brand new one is beginning to emerge. Sunshine is emerging there from our picture there at 9 Star Connect out in Greenfield looking back to the west. We see the clouds departing from our beautiful camera here at Victory Field where baseball is back all week long. Game tonight, game through this weekend. It's going to be fabulous weather to be out at Victory Field and even out on the water here in Morse Reservoir where it's 78 degrees at Wolfie's Grill and looking at some folks perhaps getting out on the water. Look how bright it is up at Ball State here in Muncie, Delaware County. Full sunshine at least here in the last of the rains. They're still out there, but they're much lighter and the weather is going to improve in Rushville. It is improving in Shelbyville. You'll get to better weather as well, Columbus and Seymour, though there are still some downpours in the area. These have really thinned out in intensity and coverage over the last hour. Earlier on this evening, we had a flash flood warning out towards Franklin County, Fayette County. That has been lifted as the rains continue to ease up, but there's still going to be some standing water in spots, and there will be improvements with time. We've had darn near 7 inches of rain for the month of May. You'd expect that we would have had a lot of severe weather. We have not had a tornado warning issued from the National Weather Service Indianapolis since the end of April. This is the first time that there is no tornado warning issued in the month of May since 2021, and no tornado reported in the state of Indiana in the month of May since May of 2021. We averaged 6 during the month. You can attribute that to the cooler than average weather, I feel, overall, and not a higher level of convection or powerful storms tampered down by the cool weather here. It was just kind of cool and rainy. A lot of wet weather, though, that we did have for the month. This is tornado frequency peak right now, the month of May. And again, we have had very little, if any, severe weather threat here for it seems like weeks on end. But it was on this date, it was Memorial Day 2019, that a very strong storm produced a tornado, an EF2 tornado that went into Pendleton and tracked 6 miles north and northeast, damaging 500 homes with peak winds of 111 to 135 miles per hour. We gained daylight this time of the year. By the end of the month, we have gained 54 minutes of daylight, and therefore the sun angle is getting higher. The average temperature now should be around 78 degrees. We were not far from that today. We were mostly impacted by the cloud cover and the rain. But tonight, the humidity level is still high, but that is set to drop as we move this system out. Northeast winds are about ready to lock in. We get rid of the rain, and all of a sudden, things are going to brighten up, dry out, and we're about ready to extend a spell of warm and dry weather. Look at the warmth across the upper Midwest. We are going to continue to see milder than normal weather moving forward, 80-degree high temperatures, lowered humidity. Some really pleasant weather to end the month. Improving tonight with a low of 61. We'll hit 82 tomorrow. It'll be breezy, but much less humid, too. And then we will continue pretty much to rubber stamp the forecast right through the end of May and to open up the month of June with temperatures in the mid-50s and highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s right into early next week.